So, as I promised, I bring you today the caramelized onions with thyme I prepare for the burgers. It's very easy to do. It's just some butter and oil. We add a little bit of oil, so just we don't want to burn the butter. Nah? And then I got here on six onions, so I slice them. We are gonna add a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and also some ground pepper. So this is just around 2.5 to 3 teaspoons. This will be 1 teaspoon salt and some pepper. And the idea is we're just gonna cook it very slow. We don't wanna burn it, just slow. We're gonna mix it and turn the onions all the way. Look, it will get this color and this texture, so very slow, medium temperature. So when we are just so far, then we're gonna add some fresh thyme I got from my garden, so I need to clean it and cut it. Yeah, I remove all here is only leaf. Yeah, all the stalks, you are not using it. Just leave the stalks, we discard them. We're just gonna chop it a little bit, and now back to the onion. We are gonna mix it, and we are almost there. Yeah, we are almost done. Just mixing it. You can check now the sugar. Maybe you can add a little bit of acidity if you want to, because this burger had the goat cheese and I didn't want to add acidity. I wanted sweet, so I let it like that. You can add some vinegar, cider vinegar, or any acidity you would like to. I add a little bit of more of sugar because I wanted a sweet touch for the burger. And here we are. You see, just quite easy. Hope you like it. Take care.